Good morning and afternoon, class. Once again, this is your teacher, Mr. Collins. Today, we're going to be writing a draft of our conclusion sections. All right. Now, what I want us to do, I want us to discuss whether our hypothesis was supported or not with a partner. All right. What you're going to do, you're going to say, my hypothesis was or was not supported, and give two pieces of data that let you know that whether your hypothesis was supported or not. All right. Then you're going to write down what you say, what your partner says, and whether you all agree if the hypothesis was supported or not. All right. So, one example, I would say, yes, my hypothesis was supported. I believed that seeds would grow better in Gatorade than they would in Coke. And this is proven because 3 of my seeds in the bag with 10 milliliters of Gatorade grew, whereas no seeds grew in the bag with Coke. All right. That is using 2 pieces of data and also telling whether my hypothesis was supported or not. All right. So take 2 minutes, discuss this over with your partner, and then write down the responses, what you say, what your partner says, and then do you all agree? All right. Go. Now, what I want us to do, class, I want us to start reading this conclusion, all right? While you're reading the conclusion, what I want you to look for is any data that the author uses in here to support or refute their hypothesis. And I want you to look for any ways that the author makes suggestions to improve the lab, all right? So we're looking for suggestions to improve and any data that is used in the conclusion. So once you complete the reading, I want you to turn to page 9 and answer questions 1, 2, and 3. All right? Take about 5 minutes to do this at a voice level 0. Go. Now, class, we're going to have 8 minutes to create a draft of our conclusion section. All right? I want you to use the rubric at the top. The most important parts of the conclusion are that you show data that relates to your hypothesis and that you identify ways to improve the experiment. All right? What I want you to do, I want you to answer questions 1, 2, 3. Turn to page 10. And I want you to make 3 suggestions of ways to improve. All right, so we're going to answer questions 1, 2, and 3, and then we're going to turn to page 10 and make our 3 suggestions. All right, go. All right, now class, for our exit ticket, we need to write down our Google information because we will be writing tomorrow in the lab. So we need to write down our Google information so that everybody has access. If you do not know your Google information, please see Mr. Collins before, excuse that bell, all right? Please see Mr. Collins before you leave to get this information, all right? Everybody, have a great day.